Hey, what's up guys? Eric here, EM Motors and Launch Vans. Just wanted to do a quick video of our latest 2023 all-wheel drive Dreambuilder with a extra tire carrier and an overhead shelf, which I'll show you. But this is for sale. 2023 4-cylinder high output twin turbo, all-wheel drive model. Super sweet, quick. Electric power steering is pretty interesting, but yeah, super loaded chassis, LED lighting package, 360-degree camera, 10-inch touchscreen, you know, Distronic cruise control, all the goodies in it, heated seats. But our Dreambuilder package, the van comes with 5 wheels and tires. So these are the oversized 275 70/17s. BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. They work great in the snow, they're quiet on the road, and they do good off-road as well. Terra Wagon's fender opening kit there, so we can fit the larger tire without rub. And then we did a CAtuned Off-road Tire Carrier, so you have a matching fifth. It gives the van a couple inches of lift with those taller tires, which is nice. A little bit more ground clearance. CR Laurence T-vent window for ventilation, and then we also have one in the sliding door on this side, so you can get some good cross ventilation. And then we have a Maxxair fan deluxe 7500, so with a remote, so you can really crack a window, open that fan up, and get some good airflow through the van. So our interior package, everything's wrapped in marine grade plywood, closed cell foam 1/8 inch with a Duramax tweed, antimicrobial tweed material. So super cool, you can't stain it. And then we hard wrap all our exposed C and D pillars. So it just finishes off the van a little bit nicer instead of leaving it raw metal with all the little factory holes everywhere. We insulate with Havlock Wool and sound deaden with Kilmat, so we kind of get that installed everywhere we can kind of insulate and sound dampen, including behind the headliner up there, which I'll show you. The intention behind the Dreambuilder is you can use it just the way it is. It has a battery system. It's pre-wired for solar. You know, has a bed, your Espar diesel heater with the Easy Start Pro controller, has a battery monitoring system so you can see what your battery levels are. Lots of USB and 12-volt plug-in, so you can plug in a 12-volt cigarette lighter style fridge up front or in the back here. You have 3-way switches, so you have switch to power your on-off of the lights from bed or from when you get into the bed, or sorry, when you get into the van here. And we have a dimmer that you can dim the lights with. And then up here in bed, you have some more USBs on each side so you can plug in and charge your phones. 3-panel custom bed, so you can remove the 3 panels, and 3-panel custom mattress that's super comfy. It's a 6-inch. But there, behind the walls, there's a lot of bracing. So it's set up to brace for L-track and cabinets behind the walls that you can't see and on the ceiling. So you can kind of basically turn this into a full custom build at some point if you wanted to do that. Let me turn down this music that's on here. 1 second. So loaded chassis, big touchscreen. All the good stuff, factory swivel seats, which is super important. There's your Espar diesel heater under there, along with your battery system and your fuse block, which I'll show you, so you can quickly access your fuses if you need to. So that's all there. Maxxair fan remote, so you can turn that on. This one's got a handle, which is nice. Little custom wrapped headliner shelf, nice and easy to the touch, closed cell foam, so you know, if you do bonk your head, it's going to be a little bit more forgiving. And then yeah, the Espar is the easy start pro controller, which is the nicer one. And then yeah, just your battery monitor, see what's going on. It's receiving, your battery receives alternator charge off the battery, or off the factory alternator. And for this battery system, it's a 100 amp hour system, so you can get 30 to 60 amps out of that alternator. So it's gonna be plenty of juice and capable to keep the battery topped off for you. We did a lawn seal floor, extended the floor here, gave you a little cubby for some shoes or dog leashes or whatever you may put in there. And then this is the diamond plate from Lawn Seal, super durable. We inlaid some L-tracks so you can tie some devices or your bikes down or gear down in there, or put fork mounts, you know, with your front tire off so you can haul your mountain bikes under the bed. We set the bed to about 36.5 range of clearance, so it'll accommodate pretty much all sizes of mountain bikes and on-road bicycles. Let's see here. What else do we have? 12-volt plug, USB. So we try to have plugs and outlets and switches, you know, where you're going to use them. And then it's future-proof, so we have power going everywhere, so we can easily tap in, or you can easily tap in and add more things if you want to. Lifetime warranty for the original owner on all our craftsmanship. So definitely want to stand behind our product and everything we do. But yeah, this thing turned out sweet. It's on the new chassis. It's in stone gray. The price, let's see here, this one is going to be $119K. Brand new rig. Like I said, loaded chassis. We might do one of these Dreambuilders to get the price, you know, on a lesser, less expensive chassis. Let me know if that would be something that would interest you guys, to get it under 100,000 price range for the van and the build. So I'm curious to see what your thoughts are. Would it be more appealing, you know, if you can buy it under 100,000, but give up those nice factory options? I'm curious, because we always bring them in pretty loaded. So we got other chassis if you need us to do some builds for you. We always have some used vans specializing in four-wheel drive, so they're pretty much almost all four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Yeah, hit up our website for the dealership, emmotorsboise.com, and then Launch Vans, our build shop, is launchvans.com. And then check out our other videos here on YouTube under EM Motors Boise, so you can see our other van builds and some of the other stuff we're doing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions on this one. Let me know if you'd want to see a less expensive chassis, MSRP, so that we can get the price under 100. Just curious what your thoughts are. Take care, guys. Have a great day.